Attention please. I am appealing to the state of Pakistan and to every human being of entire world to please help me to get justice. I am افشاں لطیف, former Superintendent, Kashana Orphanage, Lahore, Pakistan. Kashana is a government-run orphanage for orphan and abandoned girls. Being the Superintendent Kashana, I raised my voice against the heinous crime of child abuse and killing of orphan girls. Before my appointment, the Superintendent Kashana, with the help of officers Social Welfare Department, were doing the sex business of minor girls. Many girls were sold to abroad and used in human trafficking. Nude videos, rape videos of minor girls were made and uploaded to the dark websites. The body parts of minor girls were sold and used in organ transplant. The PTI government also became the part of this powerful sex mafia and the heinous crime of child abuse. From Kashana orphanage, many orphan girls, minor girls, were supplied to the sexual lust of Prime Minister Imran and to sacrificed in the black magic of First Lady Bushra Bibi. The officers of Social Welfare Department in June 2019 sent 25 newborn to 7 years old children, abandoned children from Gehwara Shelter Home Lahore to Banigala and closed the Gehwara Shelter Home Lahore permanently. The Bushra Bibi First Lady used those children, abandoned children, in black magic, sacrificed them, slaughtered them, and burnt them alive. I, as a woman and as a mother, felt great shock. I raised my voice and filed my cases in Lahore High Court. The former Prime Minister Imran Khan and First Lady Bushra Bibi make me subjected to the worst victimization. My house was burned down. Me and my children have been under several attacks. False and baseless cases were registered against me and my husband, and we were imprisoned in Court Lakhpat Jail, Lahore. My husband and I were subjected to the worst physical and mental torture by the order of First Lady Bushra Bibi. My nude video was made in Court Lakhpat Jail. My husband's business was destroyed. I was fired from my job, and my children starved for since many years. The starvation of my children still continue to till date. No other way. I have to wait to get judgment from High Court in the cases filed in Kashana sex scandal. After a long time of wait 5 years, the Justice Lahore High Court, Mr. Tariq Salim Sheikh, in October 2024, has given the judgment, historic judgment, in the cases Kashana scandal. The Justice Lahore High Court, Mr. Tariq Salim Sheikh, has imposed an emergency in Daralaman's shelter homes and orphanages and given 6 months deadline to Punjab government for reforms in Daralaman and shelter homes. After the Lahore High Court judgment, I hope that now at least me and my children would get justice. But after the Lahore High Court judgment, me and my children are still under victimization. The corrupt bureaucracy of Punjab is conspiring against me and my children. The Justice Mr. Tariq Salim Sheikh written in his statement that since 50 years no government did anything to save the lives and dignity of the orphaned abandoned children and women in Darulaman's shelter homes and orphanages. Now me and my children have been deprived from basic human rights. My children are malnourished. are spending their life in poverty. So many times we have no shelter and my children have to stay on roads with me. My children who spent a good life now are suffering very miserable conditions, in very miserable circumstances. We have no right to live in Pakistan now. That's why I am appealing to my state and all human beings in whole country, in whole world. Please help me. I am alone. I am helpless. I have no hope for justice for me and for my children in this system. Please raise voice and please help me to get justice.